Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back again after a long time. You are watching my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen, and today in Balghari Kitchen I'm going to make a very special starter which is called Cajun mutton spring roll. I'm going to show you in Balghari Kitchen how to make this beautiful recipe. Of course, you will love it. You will enjoy this recipe. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comment. End of the day. So viewers, let me take you to Balghari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for mutton Cajun spring roll. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. I'm going to show you what are the key ingredients I prepare for the roll. Here I have puff pastries which I prepare already. You can prepare also in your home. Fresh mince of mutton, egg, black pepper, tomato ketchup, oil, oyster sauce, sugar, chopped onion, coriander. This is the key ingredients: Cajun spice, salt, some green chili to twist the spice, soya sauce, white pepper, and white vinegar. Viewers, let's start our cooking. So I have already one pan which I make it hot, little bit more, make it hot, adding some oil to add onion. So just saute the onion for 1 to 2 minutes until it's tender. So now almost our onion is sauteed and little bit turning into brown. This time adding mutton. So adding mutton, just stir nicely, keep cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. So viewers, look, this is 2 to 3 minutes cooked. Now it's time to add the chili. I'm going to add the chili, salt, Cajun spices, soya sauce, white pepper, oyster sauce. Stir again nicely, mix the sauce together all and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's done. Now it's time to add the spring onion. Mix nicely spring onion with the mutton. Very nice aroma coming on. Now it's time to add coriander. Coriander is the last. Almost the mixture is cooked. I'm going to turn off the flame and bring it outside, put on the plate and cool down for 5 to 7 minutes. While it's getting cooled down, I'm going to make sauce. So I have some ketchup. I'm going to add the ketchup, to add vinegar and sugar. So our sauce is almost ready. Switch off the flame and going to bring it outside. It's called sweet and sour sauce, freshly made. So let's start our preparation for a spring roll. So here I have puff pastries. I'm going to add the stuff which I prepare, like 6 gram at least. I'm going to add and then roll it nicely this way. Once you're done, make it halfway, turn into like this. Other side also turn like this, then little bit roll up again. So I have here egg. I'm going to add egg for pasting. You can add also flour, corn flour, whatever you need. So it will be like this shape, and then you keep on side. Same way, take the roll, adding at most 6 gram maximum, 5 to 6 gram I'm going to add. Roll it this way, going to turn the edges, adding other edges, then going to turn again, coat it with the egg. So same way prepare all the rolls. So viewers, let's start frying our spring roll. Here I have already make hot the oil already. So I'm going to add the spring rolls slowly. It here, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put this way also. 7. At least one time. Look at viewers, it's going to turn into brown. Let it make it more brownish color. So viewers, it's almost spring rolls are fried. So I'm going to take it out and strain the oil here. Viewers, look at this beautiful mutton cajun spring roll is ready. I'm going to serve in the plate. Look at, let me try. We'll put in different shape. Oh my god, tasty. Just put somewhere here. And then I'm going to serve with sweet and sour sauce. So viewers, our spring roll is ready. I can't stop tasting. Let me taste some with sweet and sour sauce. It's crispy, crunchy, oh delicious. It's very hot, huh? So just dip in the sauce. Look at this sauce is also very good and thick. Mmm. Very nice, delicious, super delicious. Believe me, you are going to make it in your kitchen this one. And please do subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. And always I said, don't forget to give your lovely comments in comment section to improve Balghari Kitchen. So I can't stop. I'm going to finish this one. Thank you, Mr. Anayat, for making this lovely video, giving me a hand on this.